Here I am in the basement unit at 198 Charles. I'll take a shot on the way out of the solarium area. This is the kitchen. We've got white cupboards, dishwasher, microwave, refrigerator, a couple of a pantry storage area there, a couple of pantry storage areas there. It's got ceramic tile floor all the way through. Some nice stone wall there, really beautiful decor. Another stone wall there. Window, egress window there. So here's the living room. And then we've got a bathroom and a bedroom. So here's the bathroom. It's got a shower, ceramic shower stall right there. A big window right there. It's also got a ceramic floor. Then the bedroom is in here. Going into the bedroom there's a window there and light switch here. And lots of closet space and another door to another closet or a passageway. I'm not sure where that one goes to. Okay, that's the bedroom. Back to down the hallway, you've got the living room and the kitchen. Okay, entrance to the basement unit. There is this solarium that's full of light, plants, really beautiful. And then at the end of that, you walk into a door and there's a hot water heater and there's 2 furnaces. And I believe this is the hot water heater for the building. High efficiency, vents direct. That furnace vents direct. And the other furnace, I can't really, it's also venting directly outside, so it's high efficiency as well. A little bit of storage, a lot of plants, stairway, that's it.